Napagod ako. Nasawa ko. Inaantay. Antay mo ako dyan. Ito yung Chicago, mga kachapapi. Ganda na ba yun? Etong date namin ang pinakamasaya kahit walang nangyari. Sabi na asawa ko ayaw niya na bumalik sa Chicago.
Thank you.
Kacho papi. On the way na kami ngayon sa pangalan niya, babe? Where we gonna go?
The Lincoln Park Conservatory. It's like a garden.
Lincoln. So, pupunta kami ng Lincoln Park, mga kachopapi.
It's free, I think.
It's free.
It should be free.
Ay, it's near in the bin. Right?
I know.
Ang ganda. It was not real duck. Iya, dito na tayo, kachopapi. Ayun pala, they renting car, bike. Pala eh.
It might be expensive, so that's why I decided to get our own.
Yeah. Buti na lang may dala tayong bike, ang kachupapi. Minsan lang naman kami pumunta sa Chicago. Siguro minsan every year lang, mga kachupapi. Isang beses sa isang taon. Ayun, mga kachupapi, nakakatawa yung mga building.
So, push start button, insert credit card with
Dito
your
na
own
kaya,
account.
kachupapi.
Let me double check.
Saya-saya.
$35 off on a flat rate. Is it all day parking?
Tama yun, mga kachupapi. Mag-park na lang kami dito and then mag-bike na lang kami kung saan kami pupunta talaga. Diba? Para kasi mahal ang parking dito, mga kachupapi.
Oh, work here.
All day? Nakakabisado rin namin tong Chicago pagka yearly na kami nakakapunta, di ba? Kasi ngayon parang nagugulhan pa kami kasi twice pa lang kami nakapunta rito, mga kachupapi. Sa isang taon, isang beses lang kami nakapunta. And then this year, 2027, advance ang isang taon. This year, 2026,
Obviously, it doesn't work.
madami. Maybe it's full. Oh, na.
Well, I mean, it's not full.
Yeah.
There's one parking spot there. Oh, it's not working.
Ayun o, step 1, step 2.
Insert credit card with magnetic strip up. Wait for receipt to print out upper right. If receipt not printed, no, not needed for exit, drive in.
Saktan siyang ko, mga kachupapi, nabusog yata ako. Pero itutur ko kayo dito sa conservatory, Lincoln Park Conservatory. Parang garden nila, mga kachupapi. Naalala niyo pumunta kami sa Minnesota. Meron din kaming garden na napuntahan doon. Maganda. Free lang din. Pahanap kami ng parking, mga kachupapi. At ito yung parking na nakita namin. Yun siya. South Park. Nakalagay, mga kachupapi. And I think 4 hours is $40 pa. 4 to 8 hours, $40. Nakalagay. So mga kachupapi, magbabike muna kami ng asawa ko dito sa Chicago. Ito ang aking bike, mga kachupapi. Thank you. You fix your bike? Did you get the key? Yeah. Simula. Parang nagkakating classes na magkasama. Ano?
Charger and my glasses.
I have my charger. And then the Carmex for my lips pala.
I have it in my. You want Carmex?
Yeah. Linigas na yung ngalangala ko. Ang lamig, mga siya, papi. Kakatuwa.
In your pocket.
So, ito yung Carmex natin. Kasi malamig nga rito. Baby, I'm shaking. Update ko kayo later, mga kachapapi. Hanap agad kami ng parking. Dito na kami, mga kachapapis. Yay! Sunny na. Ayan, medyo mainit na, nakakatawa.
Let's go.
Yes. Let's go. So happy. I'm so happy. In Chicago. Dito na kami, mga kachapapis. Lincoln Park Conservatory. Bakit yung papi? Ano?
It's probably very similar to the one we saw in
Yeah.
Minnesota. So
So $30 eh.
we're not missing anything.
Yeah, so where are we gonna go?
So let's go to the Art Institute of Chicago.
Okay, let's go there. Kasi mga papi, fully booked na daw sila. So hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo yung Lincoln Park Conservatory. So let's go to the next one. Get my key in the bag. Sana mag-init-init pa, no? Para papawisan kami. Kasi lamig nang nginginig pa rin ako.
Where is it?
On the small bag. Okay, see? Yeah, it's in there. See? So mga kasyopapi, pagka nagdala ka ng bike dito, kailangan meron kang hahanapan na parking for bike para ilock mo yung bike mo kasi hindi siya pwedeng kung saan ka lang magpapark. Bawal daw dito sa Chicago. Okay lang.
Yes, close it.
Where's the key?
I put it inside the bag.
So nagbabike na kami, mga kasyopapi. And then susundan ko lang tong asawa ko. Pagod ako. Ang asawa ko. Inaantay. Antay mo ako dyan. Ang ganda mo kasi, papi. Ang city. Parang akong nasa Baywalk. Diba? Oh, 30 minutes drive ng bike. Mga kasi, papi. Mapunta lang. I don't need a key for that.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right.
But I think I lost 20 pounds.
It's good exercise.
Mamamatay ako.
Good exercise. Let's go.
Hindi ko na na-record mga kachapapi kasi nag-ano ko eh, dito nagbabite kami. Ano yan? Ano to? Ang ganda naman. Andito na kami, mga kachapapi. Agad ako. Ang sakit ng pet ko, kakabike. Nga, kung magkano entrance dito sa The Art Incentive of Chicago. Tingnan natin.
Yeah. How much you supposed to be calling? What's the open?
Is near? Hindi na kami pupunta rito mga kachupapi sa ano. Kasi may bayad, $32. Walking?
No, right.
9 minutes? Ah! Baby! What time they gonna close?
7 o'clock. So we have a lot of time. It's only gonna take 10 minutes to get there, so they'll be roughly fine. Probably 2 hours to the clinic.
Baby, I don't like this anymore. I'm not gonna bike anymore. Ah. Parang nawala yung kinain ko kanina. Nag-hallucinate na ako dahil. Ba to? Akala ko may mga freedom dito sa Chicago. Wala naman palang freedom.
It's 6 minutes. It's back north, so we're going back that way.
Hello?
Yeah, the cruise is back north, 6 minutes. You want to go to the cruise?
Yeah, cruise.
So 6 minutes, we get there roughly 5. Yeah, let's go to the cruise. And then we'll go to Starbucks.
Dito na kami nakasapabi. Kung babike pa kami, pupunta kami sa where we're gonna go?
Wendell's Boat and Cruises.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Nakita na namin kami. Finally, we found one. Far. Doy! Sakit sa ulo natin. Sabi ko sa'yo eh, lagi tayong lalate eh. We're gonna do. Wala nang ticket, lagi tayo naubusan. Ganda rito. Okay lang yan, mga papi. At least, nakita tayo natin tong mga to. Ito yung Chicago, mga papi. Yeah, okay, we're just gonna go in Starbucks and then go home.
Well, let's see how far it is. It's not too far, maybe.
It's near.
Maybe we'll
I
just walk.
remember.
Directions. Walking is 8 minutes.
I told you, it's near.
So I think we should bike.
Yeah. Okay. Ang ingay. Ano? Hey, this is your favorite place. This is my favorite place. Just once. Ganda. Namiss ko to. Ang ganda na ito, oh. The building.
You can't win. If you drive, there's no parking.
Yeah.
If you ride bike, there's not enough time.
You need to live in the Chicago.
You can only do maybe 1 or 2 things at a time.
Yeah.
We went to the balloon, so that was the only thing we had time for. And we went to the restaurant, so
Ayun, may sumasayaw. Someone's dancing.
Starbucks and you high five.
quickly. If you don't speak English, move your essay to the cone. Cool. Thank you. Hallway in.
Ayan yung rice. And then, we're here at Starbucks.
Nakikita niyo yung mga kachupapi. Kitang-kita niyo. Nakalagay small car only. Etong date namin ang pinakamasaya kahit walang nangyari. Takbo kami dito mga kachupapi. Takbo kami sa parking lot kasi nabasa ng asawa ko bawal daw parking ng van dito. Eh nakaban kami. Eh van din naman yun Oh, nakaban din naman siya, oh. 'Di ba? Hindi ba SUV? Maybe is that van or SUV?
It's a minivan.
Minivan. Kaya tumakbo kami dito mag-asawa. Sabi ko, hindi na namin naubos yung kape namin. Pagka-order, sabi ko, to go. So, anong nangyari, mga kachupapi? Do you still enjoy?
I'm scared for a minute. We're gonna be stuck here overnight.
And then we're gonna book a hotel. No?
That would have been horrible.
Exactly. Kasi mga kachupapi, pag nakitang hindi mo sinusunod yung rules ng parking, pwedeng ito yung ano mo, sasakyan mo. Eh dahil hiniram lang namin to, kaya kaya yung asawa ko, dali-dali, hindi na namin ano, yung kape niya, baby, where's your coffee?
I finished drinking it.
You get nervous.
I was thinking while I was writing.
Alam mo, kachupapi, dali-dali kami. Kaya yung, etong kape natapon na sa bike, ayun no. Pero best ever date pa rin kahit pa paano. Sabi na asawa ko, ayaw niya na bumalik sa Chicago.
Lord, thank you for hearing my prayer. Thank you.
Nag-order kasi ako sa Starbucks, mga kachupapi. Yung pagkadating ko. Ang haba kasi ng pila sa Starbucks, yung pinakamalaking Starbucks din sa Chicago. Hindi ka na nag-video kasi mga kachupapi, inahabol namin yung gabi, baka may abutan kami ng gabi. Eh, ang lamig-lamig. Ganito lang kami. Tapos magbabike pa kami. O diba, survival. Survival lang nangyari. Survival. But I'm still happy, you know.
Well, that was a good workout, but I guess that's a test of our faith if we believe in the Lord or not.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Kasi
I gotta pay attention.
yeah, you need to pay attention.
I know those one were marked small cars, but here it's not marked anywhere. That's why I was reading it and it says it's only small cars.
Laki kasi ng banana, mga kachupapi. So, going home, mga kachupapi. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord talaga, mga kachupapi. How are we gonna pay?
They say you just leave and they auto charge your card, so I guess it's gonna automatically do it. Let's see. Gate now opening. Gate is now when scan your card, send text message to with message. You're here at. Okay, I guess you just leave.
You just leave?
Yeah.
Thank the Lord.
Okay, where am I supposed to go? I hate this. It doesn't tell me. I think it's to the right.
ayaw na bumalik ng asawa ko kasi laki ng van na ginamit namin. Kasi nga diba, inano namin yung balikbayan box. So next time, hindi na tayo pupunta rito. Lakad na lang tayo pupunta rito.
Okay, which way is it?
Let's go,
Right.
baby. Natatawa ko sa asawa ko. Hindi pa ready yung ano namin, yung in-order namin sa Starbucks. Magpapahinga sana kami. Alam mo lahat ng ano namin, mga kachupapi, lahat ng gala namin, walang nangyari. Starbucks lang, tsaka yung Balloon Museum. Yun
You
lang.
can eat your croissant and drink your drink before it's cold. It's probably cold already now, but Chicago, freaking scary. Things could have gone south really hard.
Yung sinabi sa akin ng asawa ko, kinabahan din
Gone
ako dahil.
south really hard.
Kinabahan din ako dahil kasi iniram nga lang namin yung sasakyan. Hindi naman namin nakita na small car lang ang pwede doon sa parking. Ang hirap mag-park dito, mga kachupapi. Next time pag nag-punta kami dito, mag-bubok na
Luckily,
kami.
maybe nobody saw it because it's weekend.
Yeah.
If
And it's holiday, I think.
yeah, well, it's not holiday, but it's
not.
weekend, and maybe nobody was working, so nobody saw it. So they didn't call the tow truck. But if it was weekdays, I'm pretty sure we're not getting away. We're not getting away. No way we're getting away.
So, pauwi na kami, mga kachupapi. Tingnan nyo mga kachupapi yung daanan na. Puro puno. So, enjoy muna kayo dyan. Tignan nyo yung kalsada.
But we spent over $200 today already, so I guess we're okay. It could have gone really hard south. Pay for tow, pay for
How much
hotel.
the tow? How much the tow?
Right, like $300-400,
Oh,
and then the hotel's gonna be like $400-500. So it's gonna be $1,000. I mean, if it happens, it happens, but it would just really suck. But thank the Lord, I pray, and the Lord heard us. And He says, "Don't you worry, I'll hold the car for you guys." Have trust in me. I've overcome the world. That's what He said. It's true.
alam mo, ano kanina, nagbabike
Fear
kami.
not, have trust
30
in
minutes
me.
na kami nagbabike, be. Yung bike namin may paganon, may pataas, may paganon, may pataas. So yung binti ko, ang sakit-sakit na, hindi pa kami nagpapahinga. Sabi ko, be, let's rest. Sabi niya, pagpunta namin dun sa, Arts and Museum.
And it's 7 o'clock. We'll get home by 10.
Pagkadating namin dun sa Art and Museum, wala rin nangyari kasi ang mahal naman ng entrance, 32, 35, mga ganun.
It's just a shame we didn't get to go to our other place. We didn't get to fulfill our itinerary. Even though we start early,
But it's okay.
we got the balloon and we got the restaurant.
Oh, at least we got the balloon.
We got half of Starbucks.
Kasi yung unang punta namin doon mga sa Starbucks, naalala nyo? Pumunta ko kami doon, picture-picture, pero hindi kami bumili. Sabi ko, gusto ko tikman. Bumili naman ako. Madalian, hindi pa nakahanda yung order. Pina-take out na. Tapos nagbike na kami, tumakbo na kami sa parking lot. Tapos yung parking lot, 15 minutes, pagbabike ka. Putik na yun. Tapos ang dami-daming tao sa Chicago. Pero okay lang, memorable. Memorable.
Imagine if we were driving around trying to find parking spots.
That's why I love Philippines eh. Philippines, you can ride jeep.
Yeah.
You don't need-
One good thing about Philippines is
Yeah.
even though it's crowded, you don't need a vehicle to get around because there's
Mm-hmm.
so many rides that you can just practically get a ride anytime, anywhere.
Exactly.
So I would prefer the Philippines over Chicago.
Dahil kung alam mo, bibidyohan ko lang yung mga pinagagawa namin habang nagbabay
Chicago
kami.
just
Paiyak na
suck.
ako.
Chicago suck. Everything's expensive. The traffic sucks. There's no parking. The weather's not great either.
Oh, next time, California. Ano,
California's a little bit better. At least you don't struggle to find parking spot in California.
Maybe now you're gonna
And
struggle.
not all places require pay to parking
Really?
except downtown. But
Oh, because we're in the
yeah,
downtown.
because downtown is crowded. So, but California downtown suck anyway. You're not missing anything.
I just want to see the big tree.
What was that? If you want to see trees, you're not gonna find it in California.
No, I saw it's in the California.
There's not a lot of trees there.
The bigger one, like a giant
If
tree.
you're talking about Yosemite, yeah, they
Yeah.
have a lot of giant trees. But as far as the cities, no.
No, I don't like city. Only Manila. Kasi doon ako tumakay.
I've been wanting to visit Yosemite, but maybe one day. One day we will. Yosemite is a once in a lifetime gotta visit.
At sa'yo pa rin mga Aja Papi. Kasi yung pagod na na-experience namin, parang naging masaya, naging kwento. Kanina pagod na ako. Parang gusto ko na sumuko. Gusto ko na umiyak dahil kasi yung daanan pataas. Pababa pataas. Tapos ang hirap magpedal kasi ang tagal ko na hindi nagbabike. Kasi ang lamig pa ng hangin. Smiyo. Hindi mo naman sinabi sa akin na
Open your vents. I turn the heat on.
oh, yeah.
That
Ah,
was stressful.
I think it's better Singapore and Philippines. I'm not going back in Chicago. Malakas din ang amats eh, no?
I didn't even like it when we were in the small car. I hate it even more in the van.
Yeah, because we pay a lot of parking lot. Remember?
Yeah.
And then when we try to buy, we cannot buy very good because there's a lot of people.
Yeah.
So, mga kachupabi, habang nagbabay
I mean,
kami,
for the most part, on the bike
naglalakad na lang
trail,
kami.
on the bike trail, it worked out okay. But when you're
Yeah.
downtown where there's a lot of people, you can't even hardly bike.
Yeah, because there's a lot of people.
You're forced to walk with everybody else.
Yeah. I don't know why there's a lot of people in Chicago.
I don't know. I just looked it up before. It's 2.7 million people.
Dang.
It's not as many as Manila, but still, I hate it.
Manila, it's better than Chicago.
I would have to agree with you.
Because I grew up there, I know everything, you know.
Well, it's just the fact that you don't have to struggle with parking space. You can just get a ride, and you can get around more easily.
Yeah.
And traveling in rides is not very expensive. It's very cost effective.
Because
here-
a lot in the people in the Philippines, in Manila, there's no having car.
Like here, if you try to travel by taxi or Uber around the city, it's gonna be so expensive.
It's traffic pa.
Yeah, you might as well just rather get a ticket parking in the wrong spot.
At saka ang hirap ng parking dito dahil parallel. Ang hirap.
Yeah, parallel parking suck too.
Diba?
I hate parallel parking. I have to, then sure, but I don't think that anybody likes it. Everybody hates parallel parking.
Nakakatuwa yung asawa ko. I enjoy being. Thank you for taking me here.
Well, I'm glad, maybe.
Even we didn't go to the boat. No? Kasi baka chumabi, pumunta kami sa boat. Sabi, 90 minutes daw yung ride ng boat. Ay, sabi ko, ay, baka mamaya ang tagal na nun. Ang gusto lang namin mga 30 minutes. Mga 30 minutes lang na ride, mga kachupapi. Kaya lang 90 minutes daw. So, nasa 2 hours mahigit yun.
Okay, we gotta turn on 90.
Ay, thank you, Lord. Totoo pa rin. Makikita mo lang yung mukha ng asawa ko kanina, kinabahan siya, Day. Kasi hindi nga namin sasakyan to. Okay lang sana kung sasakyan namin to. Hiniram kasi namin.
Now
to
that I
sa
think
bus niya.
about it, I don't want to take that. I don't want to take the passenger van to Chicago.
Yeah.
Where are we gonna park it?
Yeah, exactly.
Especially if it's that big, there's
Yeah.
nowhere to park it. Plus, the streets are so crowded. I don't know if it'll fit through some of the streets, and if it's long too, it's very difficult to make tight turns because
Yeah.
there's cars parked everywhere. So I don't know. I don't think it's a good idea. Maybe if I drop everybody off on the outside of the downtown, then they can just walk all the way.
Yeah.
It's fine. But when you're in downtown, suck. I've always hated downtown. I hated downtown when I lived in California. I hated downtown when I lived in Oregon. I hated downtown in Washington when I'm there. I hate downtown everywhere. Any downtown area.
Only money to walk.
Manitowoc downtown, it's okay because
Because
it's very
there's
small.
not a lot of people.
Yeah, it's very small.
Ay, nako, Kachapapi. Kung makikita mo lang yung mukha ng asawa ko, alam mo yung problemado.
But you know what? American people, not just American people, but Caucasian people, they love downtown.
Yeah.
They designed that format. In my opinion, suck. Like city limits like this, I'm okay with, but downtown, suck. 1,000% suck.
Yeah. Usually they should put a big parking lot, like in Minnesota, the one that
I
we
don't know.
go.
They should do something like that, but like, I don't know why they don't do it like that. There's just very limited space. Like it's so crowded.
Yeah. It's so crowded. Paano pa naman namin dahil mag-arkila ng van para lahat ng mga Pinay kung gusto pumunta sa Chicago, go, di ba? Ngayon parang nag-iisip na yung asawa ko, ayaw na. Anyway, pauwi na kami mga Kachupapi. Nag-enjoy naman, ayun naman yung importante doon. Ang mahalaga, nag-enjoy. Did you enjoy today?
It was alright.
Look, what's that?
The train passing on top of the bridge.
Hello, baby, scary.
Almost sounds like thunderstorm.
Yeah. Kala ko thunderstorm. May train kasi dito sa...
Okay, finally we're on the way back home. I only liked it when we're over at LBC. That was the best part of the day. Hey,
So, Kachupapi, dito kami sa highway. Focus muna kami. Kachupapis, malapit na kami sa bahay. At saktong-sakto, tama yung natin, uwi natin dahil mag-alas 16. See how big our house is. Our neighbor have big space.
yes,
You have parking space, parking lot.
we've got a lot of room here.
Yeah.
No problemo.
Mexico.
In Chicago, very sweaty.
Tingnan mo kay Chupapi, oh. Ibang iba talaga yung bahay dito sa Chicago. Chicago, dikit-dikit na. Dito may mga parking, ano pa. Pwede kang park dyan, pwede kang mag-park sa garage, di ba? We're home!
Finally back. Let's go inside first. I have pee. And then I'll come out and I'll put the bikes inside the garage.
You need to bring my charger. How is this?
That's mine. I think the other one is still in my backpack. Okay, these for now. Let's go. Oh, it's late, so let's have a talk first, and then I'll go drop off the van. I'll take the shower.
Maybe we're gonna bring our bags.
Yeah. Can you grab my backpack? Can you reach it? Let's go inside.
Mga ka-chupapis, nandito na ako sa bahay at nakapag-ampak na rin ako mga ka-chupapi. Binalik ko na yung mga gamit na hindi naman namin nagamit. Teka lang mga ka-chupapi ha, nilaglag ko sa dito man. Paano yan? Teka nga. Mga ka-chupapi, nakauwi na kami at maghihilamos at magsashower lang ako ng saglit. And then matutulog na kami, nag-enjoy naman kami at thank you Lord dahil walang nangyaring masama sa amin. At ang mahalaga, masaya kami, ligtas kami at nag-enjoy kami. Yun lang naman talaga ang mahalaga. At maraming salamat Panginoon. So hanggang dito na lang yung ating vlog mga ka-chupapi at kahit wala naman nangyari sa ating umalagala lang kami sa downtown. Walang nangyari pero kahit bigyan naman masaya pa rin naman kami. At nag-take out ako. Ito yung mga ka-chupapi oh. Ito yung take out kong croissant. Hindi ko nakain dahil mamadali na kami umuwi. So anyway, bukas na lang kakainin. Nandito na lang yung ating vlog, mga ka-chupapi. Matutulog na kami. And good night!